Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Net Framework error code message 0x800f081 that you are experiencing on your Windows 11 computer. This error message is typically associated if the file path does not contain files that are required to install the feature update. There's also a potential issue that if the user that's updating NetFramework does not have permissions to even read the location to access the files, or another possibility is that the installation files are corrupt or invalid for the version of Windows you are running. So it's probably a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing, make sure you are downloading a correct version of NetFramework for the version of Windows that you're running. Make sure you're getting it also directly from Microsoft's website as well. And then if you're still having an issue, something else we can try would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video. First one is the system file checker utility. So go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and then paste it in, hit enter. This will begin a system scan, just give it a couple minutes to run here. Okay, so you can see it did find corrupt files but was unable to repair them. Next command we're going to run, and then we're going to restart our computer once that's done. It's going to be a DISM scan. So go ahead and copy that DISM command from the description of my video, and then paste it into the command prompt window the same way we did the first one, and then hopefully we should be able to fix the remaining issues here. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. Hopefully I was able to help resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.